As Americans are headed back to work, what happens if you get the coronavirus? Abel Fernandez is joining us live this morning. He's a workers' compensation attorney. And Abel, good morning. Thanks for joining us. We appreciate that. California has taken steps to help workers out if they do come down with COVID-19 on the job. But how is this working legally?
Well, what we're trying to do, or what Governor Newsom did, was create a presumption that if somebody came down with COVID-19 during the period of time from March 19th forward, that it would be presumed that it would be as a result of their work duties if they were working outside of home.
Okay, and you must be seeing a lot of cases that are popping up now. What are you suggesting people do if they do come down with coronavirus? Is there help out there for them? What is your role in kind of helping these people along?
Well, our first role is to be able to file for them under the presumption that it was work related, and then commence the process of trying to get medical treatment for them under the workers' compensation system. Obviously, right now, the governor's order came out in May, so we're still within those 30-day period where the insurance has time to make a decision whether they accept or deny the claim. But our job now is starting to commence to try to get treatment. As you can imagine, a lot of doctors sort of are not as treating as much for the same reason. So that's been one of the challenges, is actually get them the treatment they need.
Now, when it comes to getting sick on the job, we think of workers' compensation as, maybe you break your ankle while doing something at work. Is this a little different when it comes to getting sick? How can you really tie somebody to getting sick at work and not at the grocery store? How do we know if that's the case?
Well, and I think that's the whole purpose of this specific law. It would be really complicated for your viewers, for workers, to know where exactly they got it. So what this is doing is saying, look, if you were required to work outside your home during this period, we're just going to say it was a work-related event, because you're right, there is a complication which the employer or their insurance still has an ability to try to bring in some information to say, I don't think it happened at work. But that is going to be one of the things that we're going to start seeing, as you were mentioning. The legal battle coming up in the next few weeks is going to be just that.
Another one of the challenges that we're all facing in this COVID-19 world. Abel, thank you so much for joining us this morning as a workers' compensation attorney and answering some good questions for us. We appreciate it.